If you would like to have direct and original access to Google's Nano Banana AI, don't miss this video, because in this video, I am going to explain to you in very simple language how you can have direct and original access to Google's AI and use its features for free. Hit the like button. Let's go to the video. To use Google's Nano Banana, we need to install Google's Gemini AI app. To install it, all you need to do is go to Google Play and search for Gemini. Now install this option. Well, I already installed it. Guys, now that this app is installed, you will enter the Gemini app. This app is similar to ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot app for Google. Here, when you tell it to take a photo, it will create the photo for you with Nano Banana AI. For better performance, it is better to give it a prompt. The prompt is a command in the language of artificial intelligence to chatbots. That is, you will give the artificial intelligence instructions on how to take the photo. If you use the prompt, your photo will be accurate and consistent with the same thing. You may have wanted to write a prompt. It requires specialized skills and knowledge of artificial intelligence and graphics, which about 90% of friends do not know. But don't worry, you can write the prompt you want using the GPT chat. All you need to do is enter the GPT chat application and tell the GPT chat to create the prompt you want for the Nano Banana artificial intelligence. After creating it, copy the text, then enter Gemini and paste the text, and then click the send button to create the image. As you can see, I wrote it using the chat and created the image. Now I created the image using Gemini. It's just as easy. If you're interested, you can click on the image to save it. And here you click on the save option to save it on your phone. It's just as easy. If you want to learn videos related to artificial intelligence very easily and simply, be sure to subscribe to our channel. For friends who use computers, just vote. All you have to do is log into the Gemini website and follow the same processes.